Charles Schwab makes selling stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and other investments quick and straightforward with $0 commissions on most online trades. Step-by-step guide. Log into your account. Sign into Schwab's website, schwab.com, or mobile app. Go to your portfolio, click Positions or Portfolio in the main menu to see your holdings. Select the investment. Find the stock, ETF, fund, or bond you want to sell and click on it. Place a sell order, click the Sell button, or Trade, Sell. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount. Choose your order type, market order, sell immediately at the current market price. Limit order, sell only at your specified price or better. Review and submit, check the order details, estimated proceeds, and any fees. Click Place, order or sell. Additional notes, mutual funds may have redemption fees or require same-day processing before the cutoff time. Bonds, sell through the fixed income section. Proceeds from stock or ETF sales are usually available immediately for trading, good funds, and settle in one business day, T+1.